Hey folks, I'm AG Squared to show an incredibly easy tip to fix your garage door when it won't close all the way. But if your door isn't opening up all the way, not to worry, I'll also offer tips on how to fix that, so stick around. Let's start by understanding why a garage door may not close all the way. This is the most likely culprit, the safety sensors. There are two of them. One that it emits a laser and the other one that receives that laser. If at any point something comes between these sensors, the one that's supposed to receive the laser will send a signal to the opener telling it to stop closing. This is a safety precaution to make sure that no one gets injured when a door is closing. Kids, pets, etc. You can see this in action here, where as I block the sensor, the light turns off. Once I remove my finger, it turns back to green. The fix to this issue are three easy steps. First, go ahead and clean all around the sensors. This includes the bottom part of the garage door in case there is any debris, like spider webs that caught a leaf that could get between the sensors when the door is near closing all the way. I also went ahead and took some rubbing alcohol to clean the lenses fully. This is unlikely to be necessary, but hey, we're here already, so might as well, right? Second, make sure that the sensor is aligned properly, parallel to the ground, and also well tightened. As you can see on this one, it was incredibly easy for me to move the sensor. So this one definitely was in need for some tightening. You want both sensors to be well tightened because as the garage door is closing, the vibrations may cause one of the sensors to become misaligned with the other sensor. As you can see here, this is done simply by rotating this nut right over here. Do this for both sensors. And third, while we are here, let's look at how much force the opener is using when closing or opening the door. If you are facing issues with your garage opening, this is my first tip to try. Increase the force by turning, in this particular model, the knob to a higher force setting. Don't overdo it though, as too much force isn't good either. I noticed on mine here that the opener had the highest force when closing the door. This doesn't feel necessary, so I went ahead and lowered it. Think about it. Gravity is already in effect, so closing the opener doesn't need as much force compared to opening the door. And now, as you can see, this garage door is closing without any issues. And I also made sure that it would open up as well. If you found this information useful and helpful, please like the video and consider sharing it with others. And also, if you're interested in any more topics around DIY, do-it-yourself repairs, renovations, and maintenance, as well as topics around real estate, home ownership, or finance, please check out my channel and consider subscribing to it so that you don't miss out on any future nuggets of wisdom. As always, folks, thank you for watching, and till next time.